Imagine, just for a moment, that the world around you is not as solid as it seems, that the walls of your room, the floor beneath your feet, the very air you breathe, are not simply there but alive, vibrating, shifting, dancing in response to something unseen. Pause. Feel that for a moment. Let your mind float gently around this idea, without rushing. This is where our journey begins. At the edge of what is known. At the frontier where quantum physics meets consciousness, where science and spirituality quietly embrace. You may have heard of particles that exist in multiple places at once, of entanglement, where 2 points in the universe communicate instantly, as if separated by nothing at all. Take a breath, and imagine that not as a dry fact, but as a gentle whisper. The universe is far more magical than it ever lets on. Now, turn inward. Feel your own awareness, the subtle pulse of thought, the quiet energy of your mind. You are not just observing reality. You are a part of it. You are already entwined with the infinite, threads of energy that flow through everything. And yet, most of us move through life unaware of this truth. We live in the rhythm of the ordinary, forgetting that even the smallest thought can ripple out like a gentle wave across a calm lake. Pause again. Breathe. Let the thought settle. Your mind is a quiet force of creation. Quantum physics gives us the language to explore this, the scientific lens to see the invisible. Superposition. Particles existing in many states at once. Uncertainty, where outcomes are not fixed until observed. And entanglement, connections across space that defy ordinary logic. These are not just abstract concepts, they are invitations. Invitations to consider that reality is alive, responsive, and perhaps intimately tied to your consciousness. But what does this mean for you? For your inner life? For the way you experience the world? This is where quantum spirituality enters. Not as a vague idea, but as a living, breathing framework. Consciousness as energy, thought as a subtle force, intention as a thread weaving through the very fabric of existence. Close your eyes, if you wish, and imagine a particle dancing in a field of infinite possibilities. See how it flickers, waits, responds to observation. Now imagine your awareness as a gentle light, touching it, guiding it, influencing it. Can you feel it? That's your mind softly co-creating, in rhythm with the universe. Many people approach this concept with skepticism, and that is natural. The mind seeks certainty. But pause, and notice how even in science the rules are not always fixed. Experiments reveal outcomes that change when observed. The universe responds to attention, and here, in this quiet space of contemplation, you begin to realize you are never separate from the very reality you perceive. Questions arise, as they always do. Can thoughts truly shape reality? Is it possible that by changing the vibration of our awareness, we influence not only our lives, but the very particles that make up the world? Pause. Let this question rest gently in your mind. You do not need an answer yet. Only curiosity, only presence. And as curiosity blooms, you notice something profound. Empowerment. Quiet, gentle, reassuring empowerment. You are not small. You are not insignificant. Your thoughts, your focus, your attention are waves of energy, quietly interacting with the world around you. Every moment is a chance to align, to participate, to engage with the subtle magic that flows beneath the surface of reality. In this first scene, we awaken to the understanding that the universe is alive, that consciousness is not a passive observer, but a participant. And as we move forward, you will begin to explore not only how this is scientifically possible, but how it can be deeply personal, practical, and transformative. Take a moment, breathe, feel the quiet power of your own awareness. Let it resonate through your body, your mind, your heart. You are not alone in this field of possibility. You are already part of the infinite, and the infinite responds to you. Now, as you slowly open your awareness to the world beyond this moment, carry with you the gentle truth. You are a conscious force, a living wave, intertwined with the very fabric of existence. And your journey has just begun. Pause, reflect, let the calm settle. Take a deep breath, and allow yourself to settle into stillness. Let the world fade slightly to the edges of your awareness, and turn inward to the quiet center of your mind. Here, in this space, is where consciousness begins to dance with the quantum field. Pause, feel that connection. It is subtle, yet undeniable. Imagine a particle drifting in infinite possibility. Left alone, it exists in many states, neither fixed nor certain. But the moment awareness observes it, something shifts. It collapses into a single reality. This is the observer effect. Not merely a scientific curiosity, but a whisper from the universe. Consciousness is an active participant, a co-creator of reality. Slowly let the implications settle. Every thought you hold, every feeling you entertain, gently nudges the world around you. Not in a frantic, urgent way, but softly, rhythmically, like a hand tracing ripples across calm water. Now, imagine two particles separated by vast distances yet mysteriously connected. Change one, and the other responds instantly, as if they share a hidden thread. This is entanglement, a reminder that nothing in the universe is truly isolated. Pause. Reflect on yourself. You, your mind, your energy, are entwined with everything. Your consciousness resonates with the field of existence, echoing quietly and visibly through the vast expanse of life. You may wonder, is this just metaphor, or is it real? Feel into it. Don't analyze yet. Simply sense. Science tells us that reality at the quantum level behaves in ways that defy ordinary logic. Particles behave differently when observed. Waves shift, probabilities collapse. And here lies a profound truth. Consciousness may not merely witness reality, it may guide it, softly and invisibly. Picture your daily life as a web of subtle energies. Each thought, each intention, each moment of focus sends ripples into this web. You may notice a kind word altering the mood of a room, a quiet intention changing the course of an event, a single mindful breath shifting your inner state. These are your first glimpses of quantum consciousness in action. Now let us pause and explore another layer. Imagine your mind as a lens, not just observing, but refining reality. Thoughts are vibrations, intentions are frequencies, and your awareness is a tuning fork, harmonizing with the unseen waves of existence. Pause, breathe. Can you feel the rhythm of this energy? Can you sense how quietly, persistently, it responds to your presence? Many spiritual traditions have long known this. Meditation, prayer, visualization, all practices that tune consciousness to the subtle frequencies of reality. Science now catches glimpses of the same truth. The act of observation changes outcomes. Consciousness and matter are not separate. They are partners in an eternal dance. Think of a moment in your life where synchronicity occurred. Coincidence so meaningful, so perfectly timed that it felt almost magical. Pause. Let that memory surface. That is quantum consciousness at play. Your awareness, your focus, your energy, interacting with the universe in ways both subtle and profound. And here's where empowerment arises. You do not need to manipulate or force. You do not need to rush or strain. Simply noticing, aligning your mind with intention, breathing with awareness is enough. Every mindful thought is a gentle ripple. Every conscious act a soft wave, shaping reality from within. Now let us bring this closer to home. Picture yourself sitting quietly, eyes closed. Take a breath, longer, slower, and imagine a particle in your mind's eye. Watch it drift, oscillate, wait, respond to your attention. See how gentle observation transforms it? This is your mind, softly co-creating, in partnership with the infinite. Pause, reflect. Let that understanding settle. Science and spirituality converge here. Experiments like the double slit experiment reveal that particles change behavior when observed. Entangled particles communicate instantly across space. The universe at its core is not rigid. It is fluid, responsive, aware, and you, quietly, softly, are a part of that awareness. This is not a call to control reality with force, but to align with the subtle, flowing rhythm of existence. Take a deep breath and feel it. Feel your mind as a tuning instrument, capable of harmonizing with the energies that weave the cosmos together. Pause. Let that sensation sink in. And now consider your daily life. Every intention, every mindful act resonates outward. A smile, a compassionate thought, a deliberate focus. All are small expressions of your quantum self. These ripples, gentle, persistent, influence not only your inner state, but the fabric of reality itself. As we move toward practical understanding, allow yourself to rest in this awareness. Consciousness is not separate. Observation is not passive. You are not merely an experiencer. You are a participant. Your mind, your presence, interacts with the universe in ways both subtle and profound. Take a final moment in this scene. Close your eyes if you wish. Feel the gentle hum of existence, the quiet response of reality to your awareness, the soft rhythmic dance of consciousness with the quantum field. Pause. Reflect. Breathe. You are awake now, partially, to your role as a co-creator, to the intimate connection between mind and matter, thought and reality, self and universe. This is the awakening of your quantum consciousness. And as we move forward, in Scene 3, you will discover how to actively align, Practice and harness this awareness, not with strain but with calm, gentle, and mindful intention. Take a deep breath and allow your awareness to settle once more into the quiet center of your mind. Let the thoughts of the day drift gently aside, like leaves floating on a calm river. You are here, fully present, opening to the subtle rhythm of the universe. Pause. Feel it. By now, you have glimpsed the invisible dance of particles, the mysterious entanglement of energy, and the subtle responsiveness of reality to consciousness. You have sensed the quiet power within you, a force that is not separate from the world around you, but intimately connected, whispering through every intention, every focus, every breath. Now, imagine channeling that awareness into something tangible, not through force, not through struggle, but through calm, deliberate presence. This is the essence of empowering your quantum self. It begins with simple, mindful exercises, practices that align your energy, your focus, and your consciousness with the infinite possibilities of the universe. Begin with your breath. Inhale, slowly, fully, and exhale, letting go of tension. Pause. With each breath, feel the subtle vibration of life within you, like a gentle hum, resonating in harmony with the world. Each inhalation draws awareness inward. Each exhalation releases distraction, creating a rhythm of presence and connection. Now, direct your attention to intention. Think of a single desire, a gentle wish, not rushed or demanding, but soft and clear. Imagine it as a light, delicate particle, hovering in your awareness, shimmering with possibility. Observe it, feel it, let it exist, knowing that your attention alone begins to guide it. Pause. Breathe. Sense the ripple of energy that forms when awareness meets intention. Next, consider visualization. Close your eyes if you wish, and picture the outcome you desire. But instead of forcing it into reality, imagine it unfolding naturally, like a flower blooming, each petal opening in its perfect timing. Feel the energy of this visualization as if it already exists. Let it resonate in your body, your heart, your mind. Pause. Let it settle. This is the gentle art of co-creating with the quantum field. Meditation, too, is a powerful tool. Sit quietly. Allow thoughts to come and go, like clouds drifting across the sky. Observe without judgment, with calm curiosity, with gentle presence. With each moment of mindful observation, you strengthen the connection between your consciousness and the infinite possibilities that surround you. Pause, reflect, breathe. And now, consider the interconnectedness of all things. Your consciousness is a wave in the vast ocean of reality. Your energy interacts with others, with nature, with the universe itself. Every act of kindness, every moment of awareness, every focused intention sends ripples outward. Pause. Feel this interconnected flow, and know that your presence matters. Profoundly, quietly, beautifully. Let us take a moment to imagine a day, not distant, not imagined, but this very day, where you move through life with this awareness. Each step is deliberate, each thought chosen with care, each action resonating with the rhythm of your inner consciousness. Notice how ordinary moments become extraordinary, how synchronicities appear, subtle, gentle, magical, as if the universe itself is responding to the quiet clarity of your attention. Pause, reflect. Let this feeling expand within you. Now gently bring this practice into your interactions. Speak with intention, listen with presence, move with awareness. Each gesture, each word, each choice is an extension of your quantum self. The energy you radiate is both subtle and powerful, influencing reality in ways you may not immediately see, but that ripple outward, gently shaping the world. Pause. Breathe. Feel the empowerment that comes from this awareness. And here, at the heart of this practice, is the most magical truth. You do not need to control. You do not need to force outcomes. You only need to observe, intend, and align. Let your consciousness flow naturally, like a stream following the contours of the earth, like light finding its way through the trees. Each mindful moment, each intentional breath, is a co-creation with the universe itself. Take a moment now, and place your hand over your heart. Feel the quiet pulse, the rhythm of life within you, the gentle, steady presence of awareness. This is your anchor, your connection, your power. Pause. Let it resonate. You are not separate. You are a living wave of consciousness, dancing with the infinite, shaping reality, softly, subtly, beautifully. Finally, as we draw this journey to a close, reflect on this gentle invitation. Carry this awareness into your life. Notice the small synchronicities, the subtle changes in perception, the moments when your presence aligns with the flow of the universe. Let this knowledge empower you, without pressure, without haste, simply with quiet curiosity and calm intention. And now, take one last deep breath, feeling the rhythm of your quantum self, the pulse of awareness, the gentle flowing connection to all that is. And as you exhale, release any doubt, any fear, any separation. Know deeply that you are a conscious force, a subtle, radiant energy, a participant in the ongoing, magical unfolding of reality itself. Pause, reflect, let the calm settle, and remember, every thought, every intention, every quiet moment of awareness is a ripple in the fabric of existence. You are awake now, empowered, aligned, and gently co-creating with the infinite. Step softly, move gently, observe, intend, and watch how the universe responds. Quietly, rhythmically, beautifully, with you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, like and share,